Like and subscribe to have amazing luck for the rest of the week. Sometimes the scariest things can happen right at our front door. These moments can send shivers down your spine and make your heart race as you watch what is outside from your front door camera. From unexpected visitors to harmless pranks, both alike can leave a person feeling genuinely terrified and questioning the safety of their home. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. When you think about how many people touch the doorbell, I would not be surprised if this guy got sick after doing this. Here we have a random young woman who came to their door at 4:30 in the morning crying. Is this a setup or real? Either way, I would not open it. Good thing this person checked their Ring activity notification for walking out the door. No one got hurt here, but man, this is terrifying. What kind of person goes up to a stranger's porch just to sniff their shoes? Always keep your door locked. If I saw this guy on my porch, I would want to move out the next day. If she showed up at my door at 1:45 in the morning, I wouldn't be opening the door either.
Open the door. It's so cold. Open the door.
Don't open your doors to anyone you don't know. The homeowner here reported this guy to the police, and it turns out there was a nationwide warrant out on him.
What's your name?
James.
And who are you looking for?
No, a friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you.
What in the world is going on here? Good thing they have a strong door. If you're going to lie, don't do it in front of a camera.
Police!
Now they just need to install a second camera from above, so even if this happens, they can see everything. Don't worry, he's just knocking to let them know their car's extended warranty is expiring soon. Probably. Who knows? Check out how this guy reacts when he finds out he's on camera. Why are they hiding their faces if they're only going to Ding Dong Ditch? Suspicious. Now what am I looking at here? Does anyone know what this could be? Someone doesn't like the idea of being on camera. There was nothing to steal in this person's car, so the man here ended up pouring a bottle of water all over the car's dash and electronics panel. Gas leaks are no joke. If you're afraid of spiders, ooh, you're not gonna like this next one. Some people seriously need to get a life.
Oh, come on!
Here we have two guys who followed her from her car so they could steal her car keys.
Vamos pra fora. Oh, don't move. Don't scare him. Don't.
Okay.
He woke up to this ring notification at 1 in the morning.
Sir, please get off of my door. Sir, I don't appreciate you there. I'm calling 911.
It's a good thing he had the chair there to stop the fall, but what is he doing? At first, I thought this was some strange creature, but it turns out it's a skunk. What could this woman possibly be up to with a mask, gloves, and a rag? It's amazing how many vehicles get broken into on the regular. This person caught someone snooping around their cars at night. And this is karma at its finest. Well, this is creepy. Here we have a guy who found out she was home alone and tried to follow her inside. His doorbell woke him up in the early hours of the morning. He thought someone was at his door, but it turns out it was a slow-moving meteor. Excuse me, did she just ditch a toddler on the doorstep of this person's house? If it is not the night of Halloween, this is terrifying. Someone taking pictures of their house at 1 in the morning? What could be the reason for this? Did this person catch an armed robbery on their door cam? I guess spiders triggering Ring cameras is more common than I thought. Here we have chilling footage of a little one who ran to the neighbor's house after seeing a bobcat.
No, please come open the door. There's a bobcat. I want to come in. Please. I'm scared.
We're going to be home in 1 minute.
Is anyone home?
No, we're going to be home in 1 minute. We'll be home in 1 minute, sweetie. Just stay right there.
It's probably just a bug of sorts, but part of me wants to believe this is a fairy. Ring doorbells can really save lives. Because they had one, this man was able to inform them about a fire.
The house next door to you is on fire. Your house is almost on fire.
Does anyone have an explanation for this floating white orb? Just because you're crawling doesn't mean the camera can't see you. Well, this is an unexpected visitor. It's the spider's garage now. Yeah, this is a no thank you for me. What is he doing? No, maybe I don't want to know. People will try anything to avoid being picked up by a recording camera. This person tried slithering on the ground like a snake. The clown here may just be trespassing, but this is utterly terrifying to watch. Okay, James, nice to meet you. Can you leave?
It's James.
Is this a bug's shadow or something I should be afraid of? Why is her mouth open like that? Is she okay? This person is not a fan of his new doorbell camera.
So weird, I gotta look at me, but freak. You are a freak.
If the password was easy enough for them to guess, then maybe it's time to change it.
I think I can figure out the code though. 4? 2, maybe? 6?
This poor Amazon driver. Maybe someone should go check on them. He walked up to her door, but it turned out to be the wrong house.
Do you have the key?
Why would I have the key?
Do you not live here?
No.
What?
And here we have a high-speed police chase ending in this person's front yard. Watch the red car. Someone forgot about the brake. Is that a snake? They thought they had a porch thief, but it turns out it was the wind. Here we have a reckless driver who nearly took the life of this off-duty cop at this home. This is terrifying. Is he licking the camera? Just why? These guys pretend they are there for their bro, but from the shifty eyes that are exchanged, you can tell something is up.
Yo!
Yo, Kevin! Come on, bro.
Whatever he is up to, it can't be good. This bear figured out how to ring their doorbell camera. This is crazy.
Bear, go. Bear, go away. Bear, go away.
This is a bad day for them and this homeowner. Yikes. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content just like this.